Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about whether it's safe to put the Instant Pot in the dishwasher. So if we're talking about the base of the Instant Pot, where the heating element is and where you set the timer and the pressure, it's going to be a no. There's electrical components in there that will fry and not do well with water. But if we're talking about the lid, there's a few simple steps that you can take to make your Instant Pot lid dishwasher safe. And here they are. So first, you're going to remove your steam valve. Then you're going to flip your lid over. You're going to take off this piece of silicone right here. Off. Boom. We're going to put those right next to each other. And then we're going to take this. We're going to keep those for later. Then we're going to grab the sealing ring. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pieces that we have to take out of the Instant Pot to make a dishwasher safe. Now it's safe to go in the dishwasher. Because dishwashers get so hot, it can only go on the top level. Remember, it cannot go on the bottom level. The plastic is too malleable and it's going to warp and deform. So yes, you can put the Instant Pot lid in the dishwasher, but right after the cooking cycle, everything is so tender, it might just be easier to grab a little rag and give it a nice little wipe and just wash it by hand. It'll take like 5 seconds and you won't have to worry about it deforming or doing anything bad. So I hope this answered some of your questions. And if it did, hit that like and share this with someone else who has an Instant Pot.